Landslides. A landslide is a geological phenomenon. It includes a wide range of ground movement. Rockfalls, deep failure of slopes, shallow debris flows are all considered as landslides. Natural causes: groundwater pressure acting on the slope, loss of vegetative structure, erosion by rivers or ocean waves, weakening of a slope due to melting of glaciers or heavy rains. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions. Human causes: vibrations from machinery, blasting of mines, earthwork which alters the slope, construction, agricultural or forestry activities which change the amount of water that enters the soil. Landslides can be broadly classified into debris flow. Excess water on the slopes cause debris flow. Earth flow. Fine-grained materials covering the slopes cause earth flow. Shallow landslide. The upper layer detaches from the slope and slides down. Deep-seated landslide. The sliding surface is very deep.